Good morning friends, we welcome you to our new YouTube channel Magical Tayari English. Today we will discuss QS World University Rankings, especially in point of view UPSC pre-2021. If they will ask the question, how they will make the question, which type of categories the question can be made out of QS World University Ranking. This was the 17th edition. And if we talk about what is meaning of QS is basically short form of Q Aquarelli Simmons. It is a British company which analyze world's institution ranking in higher education. World's institution ranking in higher education having many aspects: academic, student faculty ratio, international students ratio. Previously, it was called Times Higher Education QS World University Ranking. The name was changed in 2010. It has received the approval of International Ranking Expert Group IREG. Also, it rates the world's top 1000 universities. It rates the world's top 1000 universities. To rank institution, QS uses 6 indicators: academic reputation, employer reputation, faculty student ratio, citation per faculty, international faculty ratio, international student ratio. If we talk about Indian continent, 21 Indian higher education institutions have found their place among the world's top 1000. It's a so weak performance of India. It was 24 last year, so 3 institutes have been out of 1000. And in India, why so less number of institutions have got their rank amongst 1000? The basic reason is faculty student ratio, and second is international faculty and international student ratio. In these three categories, India has performed very low. Let's move on. If we talk about QS World University Ranking 2021, top 3 ranks globally has been obtained by 3 institutes: MIT, Stanford University and Harvard University. MIT from USA, Stanford University from USA and Harvard University from USA. These are the top 3 ranking in 2021, and also in 2020 these rankings were same in top 3. So there is no change in last 2 years in top 3. And remind, in 2021, 3 universities from India have been in top 200. First is IIT Bombay has secured 172 rank, and ISC Bangalore has secured 185 rank, while IIT Delhi has secured 193 rank. Hopefully, you can remind these facts. Now, if we talk about how UPSC can make a question which can be a level of questions, if every student studied in Delhi in many reputed institutions, even many institutes does not get cleared UPSC pre. What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that, when we read the topic, we do not go too much deep, and sometimes that topic is not important. We used to get too much deep and too much wide. So you have to understand which topic is important in respective of Union Public Service Commission, which topic UPSC refers, which topic UPSC have a interest to give. So QS University ranking is very wide topic. So they can opt the question. If they opt the question, I have just create a question for you. Just listen this question. Consider the following statements regarding QS World University Ranking 2021. First statement is given: MIT has topped the ranking in arts and humanities category. Second statement is IIT Delhi has secured 172 rank in engineering and technology category. It rates the world top 1000 universities. Third statement seems to be totally correct. We have studied all the information that we have discussed. Have we talked about category? No. These are the loopholes in the studies. You have to understand, even the data provided by the institutions, even the data provided by the YouTube channel, even the data provided by the websites are not enough to get exact knowledge. They have some perceptions. So we should go to the direct sources. We should refer to the direct websites. In that case, you can get the exact knowledge. Now we come to there are 5 categories in which QS world university ranking has been given, science and technology and many ones, we will discuss them. The MIT has topped the ranking in engineering and technology. So this option is incorrect. If you have only remembered that MIT is the topper, then you could have done this as a right, and this will make your answer incorrect. So MIT has topped in the ranking in science and technology, engineering and technology. IIT Delhi has secured 172 rank. No, IIT Bombay has secured 172 rank. IIT Delhi has secured 193 rank. So option third is only correct. So third only. Such type of questions are made with the statement in UPSC just because they want to know how you have completed the topic. Have you just gone through the topic, or you have stick to the topic and understand the things that have been researched, that had been analyzed. Now we will move to the some questions which can come in state civil services. Let's have a glimpse. Before that, I want to tell you categories in which awards have been given: arts and humanities, social science and management, natural sciences, life sciences and medicine, and another was one the engineering and technology, in which we have discussed the top 3 universities. So if we talk about in arts and humanities, MIT has not topped. University of Oxford has ranked 1, Harvard University is 2, and University of Cambridge in 3. In similarly, social science and management, Harvard University is the first, and the London School of Economics and Political Science is second, and Stanford University is third. In natural sciences, MIT has topped. That quotes, it means in natural sciences and in engineering and technology category, in both category, MIT has topped. And in life sciences and medicine, Harvard University, and social sciences management, Harvard University. So Harvard University has topped social sciences and management, SSM, and LSM, life sciences and medicine, while MIT natural sciences and ENT, engineering and technology, and only University of Oxford has topped in arts and humanities. So it can be quite enough detailed analysis useful for UPSC. Now moves to some questions which can be asked in state civil services. Let's have a glimpse. ISC Bangalore has secured which rank in QS World Universities ranking? We have just talked about that. Which rank? IIT Bombay has secured 172. This is IIT Bombay. This is ISC Bangalore, and 193 is by IIT Delhi. 199 is not mentioned. Okay. So now which type of another question can be made amongst these three facts? IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and ISC Bangalore has been amongst top ranking institutes of India in QS World University ranking 2021. Okay, it's obvious. What they are asking, arrange them in order. Arrange them in increasing order or decreasing order. We have not completed the question in a way, but we have just give you a glimpse which can be options asked. So top rank is IIT Bombay, then ISC Bangalore, then IIT Delhi. So any type of questions can be made out of the fundamental facts. It can be match the column, it can be statement related, it can be one liner question. You have to clearly in your vision, if you are preparing seriously for any exam, civil services exam or a state civil services exam, you have to fundamentally complete the data that has been given. You have to give your eye for half an hour if you are completing a certain particular topic. You cannot give your 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or seeing many YouTube channels on one liner, this. So it's totally destroying the time in a certain way. Don't destroy the time, don't waste the time, complete the things in an suppose QS uses 6 indicators. They can ask which type of indicators. They can ask, UPSC can ask. If they give you 4 indicators and ask out of 4 which indicators belong to QS University ranking, so you should know international faculty ratio, international student ratio, citation per faculty, faculty per student ratio, employer reputation, academic reputation. So hopefully this topic has been completed in a way so you can remember some fundamental facts. Thanks for watching the video. This is my first video on new YouTube channel Magical Tayari English. Hope you would like it, and subscribe the channel and share it the information if you think that it is informative. Thanks for watching the video.